Welcome to StockInvest YouTube channel and this stock report for AbbVie. The report was first published on our website April 14, 2022, but this is a more detailed version which also includes some fundamental data you need to know. In this 7 to 10 minute long video we give you the information you need to know about AbbVie for the upcoming trading day on Monday 18th, like support and resistance levels, signals, chart analysis, price to earnings ratios, and possible trading levels. Make sure you watch the entire report so you don't miss out on some key information needed for your trading. Please remember to subscribe so we can continue to grow and give you these free videos. Make sure to hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new video. Now just sit back, relax, listen and watch the screen as we will show you some interesting data as we move along with the report. In this section you will get some information about the current AbbVie performance to better understand where the stock is right now. In our systems, the AbbVie stock currently holds a 2.959 score, and our system has ranked AbbVie buy or hold candidate since November 23, 2021. If you were following our analysis you would have had an amazing gain of 36.34% since we first told you to buy AbbVie 99 days ago. This is an average return of 0.37% per day since first recommended. In our daily updates for AbbVie our last headline reads, AbbVie Inc. stock upgraded from hold/accumulate to buy candidate after Thursday trading session. The AbbVie Inc. stock price gained 2.02% on the last trading day, Thursday, April 14, 2022, rising from $158.87 to $162.08. During the day the stock fluctuated 4.46% from a day low at $156.86 to a day high of $163.85. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days, but is still down by -0.02% for this period. Volume fell on the last day by -7 million shares and in total, 9 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $1.41 billion. You should take into consideration that falling volume on higher prices causes divergence and may be an early warning about possible changes over the next couple of days. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $175.91, and the lowest price was $105.56. Right now the price is 7.86%, or $13.83, below 52-week high at $175.91, which also is all-time high for the stock. The AbbVie stock trends, predictions and analyst ratings. Soon we will give you the analyst ratings for the stock, but first the trends. The stock lies in the lower part of a wide and strong rising trend in the short term, and this may normally pose a very good buying opportunity. If the lower trend floor at $159.47 is broken, it will firstly indicate a slower rate of rising, but may also be an early warning for a trend shift. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible 25.95% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between 24.54% and 38.56%. The 12-month trend indicates a 36.63% change over the next 12 months with a possible return between 10.38% and 48.86%. This equals a price between $178.90 and $241.27 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. From analysts, AbbVie stock received a general strong buy rating. The analysts give PE ratio a strong buy and price to book a strong buy rating. For the return on investment the analysts give the AbbVie stock a neutral rating. In this section we will give you some information about signals found for AbbVie. We will start with the general picture before we move on some of the most famous indicators and signals that will give you a deeper and better understanding of the trading possibilities in the stock. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Friday, April 8, 2022, and so far it has fallen -7.44%. Further fall is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Some positive signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. The AbbVie Inc. stock holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average. At the same time, however, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average there is a general buy signal in the stock giving a positive forecast for the stock. On further gains, the stock will meet resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $167.94. On a fall, the stock will find some support from the long-term average at approximately $158.13. A breakup through the short-term average will send a buy signal, whereas a breakdown through the long-term average will send a sell signal. Volume fell during the last trading day despite gaining prices. This causes a divergence between volume and price, and it may be an early warning. The stock should be watched closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence holds a sell signal. Pivots gave a sell signal 5 days ago. Bollinger gave a buy signal 5 days ago. The short-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a sell signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a sell signal not applicable days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages in the 3-month chart holds a sell signal. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average gave a sell signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a buy signal 117 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages gave a buy signal 110 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for AbbVie. AbbVie Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at $158.87, and this level may hold a buying opportunity as an upwards reaction can be expected when the support is being tested. This stock has average movements during the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. During the last day, the stock moved $6.99 between high and low, or 4.46%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 3.58%. The stock has a beta of 0.77. This tells us that AbbVie is minus 0.23 times less volatile than the market. Let us have a look at some fundamental data you should be aware of before we tell you some possible good trading levels for AbbVie. The price-to-earnings ratio, PE ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. AbbVie currently has a price-earning ratio of 24.81. This is a relatively normal price-to-earnings ratio and often seen in business with long track record or predictable revenues. Next upcoming earnings report for Q1 2022 is expected to be released April 28, 2022. The consensus among the analysts are $3.18. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, AbbVie meets first resistance at $163.75. If you do not hold AbbVie shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, AbbVie finds first level of support at $158.87, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. Other levels you should watch based on the famous Fibonacci model are: buy at $158.26, $156.61, $153.94. Sell at $163.60, $165.25, $167.92. The average ratings combined from several analyst sources for AbbVie is strong buy. Here are some of the latest insider trades. On March 31, 2022, Alpern Robert J. made an inside buy of 44 of stock equivalent units. On March 31, 2022, Rapp Edward J. made an inside buy of 217 of stock equivalent units. On March 31, 2022, Liddy Edward M. made an inside buy of 177 of stock equivalent units. On March 24, 2022, Stuart Jeffrey Ryan made an inside sell of 27,690 of option, right to buy. On March 24, 2022, Stuart Jeffrey Ryan made an inside sell of 27,690 of common stock, 1 cent par value. Based on the 100 latest insides trades, we have calculated the insider power to be positive at a ratio of 32.261. In total, The insiders bought 1,147,372 and sold 569,213 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is $153.20, minus 5.48%. This stock has medium daily movements and this gives medium risk. There is a sell signal from a pivot top found 4 days ago. Is AbbVie stock a buy? Several of the signals/indicators are negative, and we believe that this will affect on the development for the next days and maybe possible weeks. However, over time, we think that today's level holds a possible buying opportunity and that the price will be higher during or at the end of this 3-month period. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a hold/accumulate to a buy candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is overvalued. For the trading on Monday 18th, we expect AbbVie to open down negative $1.15 and start trading at $160.93. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment if you have any questions and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.